Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. Today I thought I would take a look at three different cigarette stocks. All three stocks have companies that are developing e-cigarette technology. As you guys know, there's a big transition within the tobacco world, moving away from burned nicotine products towards safer alternatives that avoid inhaling the toxic smoke that's produced from burning these products. So I thought it'd be interesting to take a look at three different companies here to see if there's any short-term as well as long-term investor potential. The three companies I'd like to take a look at are BTI here, British American Tobacco, RAI, Reynolds American Incorporated, and PM Philip Morris International. These are all three very large companies with great dividend yields. Typically, the kind of stocks I like to invest in, they are from the SIN stock category. So a lot of investors, well, at least a significant subset of investors may not like to invest in this type of stock, but they're all large cap companies, blue chip companies with great dividend yields, typically stocks I would like to buy. So having said all that, let's jump into the first stock here, BTI, British American Tobacco. You can see over the last 1 year, 21.11%, as well as the last 5 years, 83.86%, which is on par with the S&P 500. Great dividend yield on the bottom here, 3.861%. The large company, 66.81 billion. You can see the PE ratio is very reasonable there, 10.61. This particular company has a very unique e-cigarette product, H&B technology, heat not burn technology, really unique with regards to the e-cigarette products. Whereas a lot of its competitors are using nicotine-infused liquids, heating those up to create vapor of kind of emulated tobacco smoke. H&B technology uses real tobacco leaves, heating those up and creating a vapor that apparently produces the taste and feel of normal cigarette. I don't smoke, have not used these products, so I can't really comment on that. But apparently, from what I read, it's a much closer experience to smoking real tobacco than some of the other alternatives out there. Notable that they are in talks to merge with the second stock here, the second company, RAI, Reynolds American Incorporated, to form the biggest tobacco company, larger than even Philip Morris. This company, let's go to the ticker first. Very good performance for last year, 37.5%, the best performance out of all three stocks for last year, and as well over the last 5 years, 295.22%. So very phenomenal growth over the last 1 year and 5 years. You can see it's a very large company, 95.26 billion. Great dividend yield, 3.141%. You can see the PE ratio is a lot higher with this company, 28.987. This company on its own, save the merger, has had a couple different e-cigarette products out there. Blue e-cigarettes, which had bought from another company and had to sell off because of some antitrust legislation. It did develop its own product, Vuse, V-U-S-E e-cigarette product, which apparently is the market leader now with the United States market, at least 38%. So very good company, and it's really leading the e-cigarette business within the United States. And like I said, it's in talks to join with BTI to form the largest tobacco company. So very good potential with both of these companies. And as I said, for the last 5 years and 1 year, this has had phenomenal growth. And the last company here, PM Philip Morris, this is by far the largest tobacco company. You can see here the market cap, 185.57 billion. Good dividend yield on the bottom there, 4.503%, and the PE ratio is in line with RAI, 26.50. Philip Morris also has some unique technology. It has this product called heat sticks, which apparently makes using these e-cigarette products a lot easier than the other two products I talked about. And the big thing with PM, it's trying to petition the FDA to get approved for the first e-cigarette that can be marketed as reduced risk. All the other e-cigarette companies at this point can't really claim that they have reduced risk over traditional tobacco products with regards to nicotine because there's been no studies. But Philip Morris is the first company that's looking to get that approval from the FDA, which could be a very unique marketing advantage when it comes to e-cigarettes. So three different companies here. I think there's some good potential in each of these companies. And just to round off the tickers here for Philip Morris, you can see over the last year, great performance, 26.04%. And over the last 5 years, lagging a little bit behind the S&P 500, 74.03%. But nevertheless, three very good companies, three companies that all have the qualities that I typically look for, large cap companies, blue chip companies that have great dividend yield. So let me know if you guys have invested in any of these companies or will invest in any of these companies. What your take is on e-cigarettes. And not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it there. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, Feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And until next video, I'll see you then.